Hello, welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. Just wanted to pop up and tell you about a new prize which I've added to the April prize draw, my giveaway gift bundle. Just some background for those who don't know about my monthly prize draw. I set up a club, and part of being a member of that club is you get entered into my monthly prize draw, my giveaway gift bundle, in which I give away all the products that get given to me. Now, very often nowadays I get offered things to review, and one of the things I was offered to review was a wildlife trail camera from iZeeka. It's down here on this lamppost, and in April that is going in my prize draw. It's not the only thing I'll be giving away in April. We've given away around 27 prizes now, which have been given to me by companies to review. So if you want to join my club, be entered in the April prize draw and have a chance of winning this wildlife trail camera, click on the link below, which will take you to my website where you can sign up to my club. You get the monthly newsletter, the giveaway gift bundle, and lots of other things as well. So have a look at my club if you want to be in it to win it, and look out for more notifications in the next few days of some other prizes which I will be adding to the April prize draw. That's it for now. I'll see you soon for some more giveaway gift bundle adventures.